Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Waves on the Beach shadow box. Isn't that just so fun? I've used foam squares here to really give it some nice dimension, and I love the abstract feel of it. It's so cool. It's so fun to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2023. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP23. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. You can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized the project to fit inside the shadow box that I'll be using for this particular project. I have that linked in the materials list in the written tutorial. The inside dimensions for my shadow box are 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're using a different shadow box, or you're going to be using this project in a different way, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked, and then you can change the width and the height accordingly. Since I have already sized this appropriately for my shadow box, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for the project, and you'll see the different mats. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and then I will see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so all of our pieces have been cut out, so it's time to go ahead and just start layering them together. I'm going to be adding foam squares to every layer except for the backing piece. So I'm going to put squares behind the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh pieces. Don't worry though, I have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer them piece by piece. So go ahead and check that out. Like I said, that is located within the download. I'm going to go ahead and add the foam squares, and then I'll go ahead and grab my shadow box. Okay, so I have my shadow box ready to go here. I did place some of the pins that are included with this particular shadow box on the backing piece to help push everything forward. So now I'll just start layering. And now I will place the backing in. And there we have our fun waves on the beach abstract art. Isn't that so cool? Wasn't this fun? I love abstract art and I love the way that this looks. It is so, so cool. You could totally resize this design and make it onto a card or make it larger or smaller depending on what shadow box you have. There are so many different options with this project. If you make this one, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through the Facebook group, our member group, or through email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye.